Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you build your app very quickly. Maybe maximum 10 minutes you will have to invest. That's it. I am taking the example of Node.js JavaScript. Okay. So here are the very simple steps actually. Go to the below repository using this command git clone, and this URL I have given, and you will get the code actually. If you have github.com, you can get the code base, complete working code base. If you don't want the code from there or some problem with GitHub or something, I am adding a zip file here for your reference. You can use that same code you will be getting in the zip file also. You just need to extract it. That's it. After extracting, you need to go to the folder. Go to the folder. This one, OpenAI Quick Start Node. You see here, I have mentioned the command also. After that, there is a env.example file already there, and you need to copy it to env. So you can copy it using command line, or you can copy it manually also, whatever way you want. But we need this file because this file is very important. It will keep your API key over there. After that, you need to copy your secret key, secret API key. If you have not created your secret key, you need to create at this moment, because we need that in order to run this program. If you are not created, watch my videos and see how can you get the secret key. And then you can open .env file, and this variable OpenAI API key, you need to provide the value as whatever secret key you have. Don't share that secret key with anybody, and run the following commands after that. Do it very carefully. It should not take much time actually, maybe 2, 3, 5 minutes, 10 minutes maximum. And then run the following commands. npm install. It will install all the required libraries taken from the package.json file. It will run the package.json and get all the libraries required to execute this code. And then you need to run npm run dev.